The 2022 Alpine lineup is here, and all versions look and perform like a proper lightweight sports car. For maximum driving pleasure, all Alpine A110 models offer a customizable guide in 3 modes: Normal, Sport, and Track. The Normal and Sport modes have been optimized to offer respectively more comfort with normal and more responsiveness in gear changes with Sport, with the possibility of downshifting more gears and increasing the engine revs, accelerated intelligent as with the double clutch at each gear change. The responsiveness of the accelerator pedal and the engine, the sensitivity of the power steering, the gear shift speed, the activation of the exhaust valve, and the sensitivity of the electronic stability control are changed according to the selected mode. It is also possible to completely deactivate the ESC using the appropriate command. The engine tuning of the new A110 GT and new A110 S has been improved to deliver the maximum power of 300 horsepower at a higher engine speed, 6,300 revolutions per minute, with an increase of 20 Nm, 340 Nm of torque starting from 2,400 revolutions per minute, and a maximum speed that can be reached with a 7th gear ratio, which is thus dedicated to performance. Another highlight is the launch control procedure, which a cylinder is temporarily deactivated to provide a race-like engine sound. Now, let's go over some specs for each model. Base Alpine A110. Power 252 horsepower. From 0 to 100 km per hour in 4.5 seconds. 320 Nm of torque from 2,000 to 4,800 revolutions per minute. Empty weight in running order 1,119 to 1,140 kilograms. Alpine A110 S. Power 300 horsepower. From 0 to 100 km per hour in 4.2 seconds. 340 Nm of torque from 2,400 to 6,000 revolutions per minute. Top speed increased to 275 km per hour. With Aero kit, empty weight in running order 1,119 to 1,140 kilograms. Alpine A110 GT. Power 300 horsepower. From 0 to 100 km per hour in 4.2 seconds. 340 Nm of torque from 2,400 to 6,000 revolutions per minute. Empty weight in running order 1,119 to 1,140 kilograms. By the way, please subscribe to our channel, hit the bell and thumbs up button if you find our videos informative.